What's going on? Welcome back to Fathersondiygarage. Check out how we turned our fireplace from this to this. We started off by demoing the old fireplace, taking all the tile off the wall. Had a near miss right here. Once all the tile was off the wall, we got the tile off the floor. And with everything demoed, it was time to hang up some concrete board. For this project, we're going to be hanging up veneer stones on the wall. And the reason we put the concrete board there is so that way the mortar has something to adhere to. Once all the concrete board was hung, we started working on our mantel. We ripped down a piece of 1x pine and screwed that into the wall. And this is what our brackets are going to sit on. We marked out all of our brackets for our beam. Drilled pilot holes. Then we used 3 lag bolts on each one to secure to the wall. We picked up a solid oak reclaimed beam for this project, and it had some weight to it, so we had 3 of these brackets hung.
On the money. All right, now here's the real test. Here's the real test. Uh-oh.
The beam that we picked out was just a little too long for our fireplace, so we took it outside and ripped it down with the chop saw.
Got it.
Once it was cut to size, I started drilling 3 holes in where our brackets were going to be. Happy with how the beam turned out, we ended up taking it off, putting some epoxy in those holes, and putting it back on the brackets to hold it in place. With the beam all set up, we went into mixing up some mortar and hanging up some stones.
That's a wrap on another successful project.
Thanks for tuning in to Father-Son DIY Garage.
If we can do it, so can you. Get out there and DIY.